Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Strinova game is crashing or crash on startup on your PC. Guys, first open up the screen, then just click on the Strinova game. Then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now if your game is crashing on startup, then just type this command. Now the first command is -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check. If it still crash on startup, then just type your -dx12. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just type here -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. And also if you have the Discord installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay. This is very important. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just click on the install files, then click on the verify integrity of game files, and it will take some time, so just wait for it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, locate your Strinova game launcher or exe file of your game. So once you find it, make a right click on it and go to its properties. Then go to the compatibility tab, and here just uncheck this box. Also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, and just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode, and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still crashing, then just uncheck this box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now the next step is to, if your game is still crashing, then go to your Windows search and just type here the updates and open up the Windows updates. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows and graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then open up the NVIDIA control panel and check for updates. You can also do same for the AMD. And hope this video helped you out, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.